Welcome back to HowToAV.tv. We're still here at ISE 2019 and we found ourselves on the Meridian stage, back with Hugo Fitzjohn, and we're going to talk all about quality audio in the home again. Hugo, you've been on the CEDIA training stage and really talking about why we should sell less.
Yeah, and that sounds controversial, doesn't it? So why we should sell less is we actually want to make more profit out of the systems that we're installing. So a really good way of doing that is actually honing down on the areas that people are actually going to listen to music. So there's been some polls and some research done recently. Top place that people consume music is in the car. Now obviously we can't do anything about that, but we can do something about the home. So relaxing at home, a lot of people listen to music when they're relaxing at home, in kitchens, but not so much in other places in the house, like bedrooms, not used as much. So my contention is that what we should do is focus on putting really good quality products and giving the clients a really great experience in less rooms, meaning that we're putting better, higher profitability kind of equipment into those zones, less labour, because it's something that we're struggling with in the industry at the moment, is we haven't got enough talented people to do all the installs. So putting less in, putting better stuff in, and because you put less in, it's less stuff to go wrong, better quality equipment, so you shouldn't be going back to site and costing yourself money in the future.
So you were saying earlier that there really can be trying to fit as much kit into every single room in the house. It can sometimes be something of a vanity project, but in a real world, when the residents move in, you're finding that people just aren't using it in so many of the rooms, and therefore people should really think about making the most of that budget and getting quality kit, a quality result in the rooms that actually matter.
Absolutely. You know, in the past when I was out installing in the field, you put in systems for people, you go back and see them later, talk about the rooms that they insisted on having guest rooms, and actually they're saying that their guests when they come around are absolutely frightened of touching anything because they fear they're going to break it. So why not just give them a simple alarm clock radio in those rooms? So yeah, just concentrate on the rooms that really matter. But then the other thing I think that's really important as well is consider the sources that we're getting music from today. Things have really changed in the last few years. Smartphones are driving the content that we're getting. There's people that are now getting their music from YouTube of all places. Again, similar survey, they're saying that 35% of people didn't want to pay for a subscription because they could get everything that they wanted from YouTube.
So I guess more and more we're having very different sources in different areas of the home where you're really using that music. You might be back to vinyl by now. It's growing and growing. Yeah. Whereas in a bedroom or in a bathroom, it might be simply down to a smartphone and a smart speaker.
Yeah, and everybody in the household is going to have different sources for their music. So the father of the home might have his curated music collection that he's had for many years on a hard drive somewhere, wants to stream that. But his kids might be using Spotify, or wife wanting to just AirPlay stuff. So I think, cater for all the different sources and bring them into the home and give people actually something they're going to use, love and enjoy.
And it does sound scary. It really does sound like Hugo's telling everybody, buy less stuff from us. Yeah. And it isn't the case. It is about allowing yourself to use the budget that's available, same budget, but using it with much better quality equipment that's really going to give a better performance and it's going to last a lot longer, really.
Yeah, and I know it's a brave sell to go out there and tell people they should have less, but actually what we're selling to people, and I think we should never forget this, is we're selling experiences, and technology is merely the vehicle to deliver those experiences, so let's try and give people excellent experiences.
So this isn't about a product, this is about how we design our systems. And we were talking earlier on about system design, and we do have to refresh the way that we're thinking, but we were also talking about both for yourselves and for us as well, the manufacturers, the product suppliers. We're having to change our model to deliver that system design. Now, we know that there's a greater requirement from us to deliver that service to the end user, to the installer as well. And you guys have done what we've done as well, and it really is about delivering a service of system design. So what are you guys up to?
So we've got the design service. So our dealers and distributors can come to us directly with their projects. We'll help them work to put an amazing project together that's going to deliver the kind of results that our clients are looking for. It's co-branded by us, and we're going to guarantee that they're going to get the performance that they're looking for.
and you're finding that throughout the industry now.
Absolutely.
Every good quality provider, whether it's manufacturer, whether it's distributor, is there providing that service. We know that to make sure that our products work, we need to know that the system's going to work as well.
Absolutely. I mean, when it comes to cinema design, for example, we've got dealers out there who are maybe doing 2 or 3 cinemas a year. We've got a guy who is an expert in designing stuff, and that's what he's doing every day. So why not use our skill and expertise, our understanding of our products, to help them put an amazing experience together for their client, and help them close the deal as well.
So when you are looking for the right product and when you're looking for the right provider, make sure that those guys are there to help you out as well. A really good provider, a really good manufacturer has got a great team of system designers, technicians. They're not just there to sell you the most product or the most expensive product. They want to deliver to you a system that's going to work. Hugo, thanks for joining us once again.
Pleasure.
Plenty more from How to AV over at ISE 2019. Join us again soon.